Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping Spotlight to prevent conflicts while you reset files. Open Settings, go to Accounts and sign out if you use a Microsoft account. This avoids sync issues. Next, go to Personalization Lock Screen and switch background from Windows Spotlight to Picture or Slideshow. Once done, open File Explorer and delete the Spotlight cache under %user profile %backslash_app data /local/packages to remove corrupted images and settings so the service can rebuild cleanly. Now you'll re-register Spotlight and ensure the supporting services run. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the add-apps package/register command for the Microsoft Windows Content Delivery Manager package. This restores the app manifest. Then, open services and confirm Windows search and connected user experiences are set to automatic and running. Spotlight depends on them to fetch images and metadata. After that, sign back into your Microsoft account if you signed out earlier so preferences and recommendations can sync again. Finally, turn lock screen background back to Windows Spotlight and lock your PC to confirm images appear. This test verifies the rebuild worked. If you don't see new images, open Event Viewer and filter for application and system errors referencing Content Delivery Manager or Spotlight to identify permission or fetch failures. Then repeat the file cleanup and re-register steps. If problems persist, create a fresh local user profile and test Spotlight there. A clean profile isolates whether your user settings were the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.